I'm still not sure. It looks like it's moving towards the base of the tree, whatever it is, but I do think it is possibly a small snake or even a small monitor, but I haven't seen any movement in the vegetation at all. But there's certainly something there. That alarm call's been given, and all the birds that are looking around here for food have all come in to have a look at what it is that they're seeing. And quite often you will find a few species of bird collecting together and looking for insects or for seeds, and they'll use each other to increase their numbers to actually keep a lookout for predators. It's known as a bird feeding party. And there goes the buffalo weavers now. Fork-tailed Drongo. Slightly smaller than the buffalo weavers. There was one of them on the screen just a little bit earlier with the red bill. And they're responsible for those huge nests. I wonder if we might be able to see one today. Those huge stick nests. And they do breed in a colony, although they will still have their particular spot in the nest, and if anyone tries to take that spot, they do get very defensive over it. A brown snake eagle. Now, one thing to look for in this eagle, if you ever see it out and about, is that vertical or upright stance that they have. A lot more so than some of the other brown eagles that we get here. And the yellow eye, which you probably can't see here, but the yellow eye is also very bright. Those two things are the things to look for in this eagle. Oh no, it's the Gymnogene! Now, what are you guys watching? One of the eagles that doesn't migrate here. It seems to be that once the migrants go, you seem to see them a lot more, which is nice. And as the name suggests, they do eat snakes. It's quite interesting to see them eating a snake, actually. It looks like they eat a piece of spaghetti. I've seen them eating it on the wing. So they'll catch the snake and take it up into the air and then start eating it. Brilliant to watch.